Okay, so I'm here with my brother Mark. Obviously, you know Mark more than you do me. So just wanted to find out how we're getting on with the Corolla. If you can give us an update.
The progress is it's gone on quite a long way since. So we're going to recap from. We've kind of missed out a lot of opportunities to do videos, so we're going back in time kind of to explain the full story of the car. So we got the car back here from Marc Todd in November. Basically, we stripped the car down in about 3 weeks after it had been here. I hadn't had time, I've been working. So we stripped the car down bit by bit and putting stuff on Facebook Marketplace to sell it and advertising it, stuff like that. We got him right down to bare bones, so I left it running, no windows in, no interior in, engine still running, all the running gear still going.
So did you manage to sell all the interior and everything?
No, everybody that's interested in the interior parts and everything are all in different countries.
Oh, right.
Like, it's not like a Mark 1 Escort, no one wants these bits in this country, everybody wants them in Malaysia, Australia. Malta, we had a guy who wanted a flat windscreen from Malta, and there's no chance. It will go eventually, but
yeah,
it's just the way it is. But all the running gear was really good, and basically the plan was to cut the whole floor out and leave the floor rolling, because I thought, well, I might need to move it around. Someone might be interested in the whole floor plan as it is, so we've done that. So there's a few little bits we did. We stripped the body off the chassis. Just before we did that, we did a bit of a joke of a burnout, just to see if it had enough power to do a burnout, because it was the old 1166 engine. So we did a little burnout for a little lap, which you'll see now. Yeah, it's basically we took the body off, completely cut the body off. I didn't have a plasma cutter at the time, so I had to do it all with angle grinders and everything else, so it was a bit of a nightmare, but got there in the end, and took all the wiring loom and everything out really carefully. Yeah, then put it on the internet for people to hate me, because everybody hates cutting up a rare car. And the annoying bit about it was the actual body, the part I needed, was the worst bit of the car. You know, it's typical Toyota Corolla, they rust around the bottom of the windscreens, they rust around the...
So was it not as good as you first thought? Because obviously when you picked it up, you thought it was pretty mint. But...
Yeah, well, I mean, after doing close inspection, we started pulling out the windows and stuff. You could see where the rubber was hiding rust and everything coming through. So,
typical Jap car then.
Yeah, it's
Jap
always
crap.
with typical Japanese metal not being thick enough and not being protected enough from the underside. But yeah, it was a bit disappointing. But again, I didn't pay massive money for the car. Mark really helped me out on the price, and yeah, it kind of just went from there. So yeah, we got the body off. We kind of I weighed up some wheels. The wheels I bought for it to go underneath, and the stance and the ride height I wanted of it, and sort of got a lot of inspiration from a lot of guys in Puerto Rico, which are running like 6-second rotary car, Reno racing and stuff like that. They're all brilliant guys and have been really helpful. And then yeah, it was time to get it on the jig and go from there really. So you'll see some more progress soon.